issued a flash flood warning for Bastrop County until 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 2 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving through the near Copperas Creek and Alum Creek. The debris flow can consist of mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Elgin, Bastrop, Smithville, Camp Swift, Circle D KC Estates, Wildwood, Rosanke, Cedar Creek, Page, Upton, Felon, Bastrop State Park, Hills Prairie, Alum Creek, Buescher State Park, Watterson, Cedar Hills, McDade, Rockney, and Togo. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Flooding is occurring or is imminent. It is important to know where you are relative to streams, rivers, or creeks, which can become killers in heavy rains. Campers and hikers should avoid streams or creeks. This is NOAA Weather Radio.